Pensacola, FLA. Part of a bridge collapsed in Pensacola as 30 inches of rain and storm surge turned streets into white-capped rivers Wednesday after Hurricane Sally lurched ashore the Gulf Coast. Though downgraded to a tropical storm by Wednesday afternoon, Sally's strong winds battered Alabama and Florida as the center moved over the Panhandle. In Pensacola, Florida, a section of the Pensacola Bay Bridge collapsed, and downtown was largely underwater. The hurricane killed at least one person in Orange Beach, Alabama, located in the state's eastern Gulf Coast between Mobile and Pensacola. Mayor Tony Kennon told the Associated Press that another person was missing but couldn't release additional details. Flooding as the slow storm dumped intense rains has proven to be Sally's most serious danger. Historic and catastrophic flooding, including widespread moderate to major river flooding, is unfolding, forecasters say. Photos and video from coastal areas showed trees downed, debris and boats thrown about and streets flooded. Around 9 a.m., local time, a water level station in Pensacola reported inundation around 5.5 feet above sea level, the National Hurricane Center said. Flash flooding emergencies were in effect and rescue efforts underway for parts of southeastern Alabama and the Florida Panhandle as the storm could dump up to 35 inches of rain in isolated pockets. Sally, which made landfall at 4:45 a.m. with maximum sustained winds of 105 mph near Gulf shores, Alabama, was downgraded to a tropical depression late Wednesday night with 35 miles per hour winds. Sally is forecast to head inland Wednesday night across southeastern Alabama before reaching Georgia on Thursday and the Carolinas on Friday. Around 10 to 20 inches of rain could be dumped on parts of Alabama and Florida, with isolated pockets getting up to 35 inches. Sally is the eighth named storm to make landfall in the continental U.S. this year, the most through September 16 in recorded history. More than 550,000 homes and businesses are without power in Alabama, Florida, and Louisiana. According to the utility tracker, thousands of Florida households remain without power. Thousands of Florida customers remained without power Wednesday night following Hurricane Sally's arrival in the Gulf Coast. As of 6 p.m., roughly 92% of all Gulf Power customers in Escambia County were without power, with a total of 148,616 confirmed outages. In Santa Rosa County, about 58,712 Gulf Power customers, or roughly 65% of households, were also in the dark. National Guard headed to Pensacola. Area authorities in Pensacola say 200 National Guard members will be arriving Thursday in response to Hurricane Sally, which hit the Gulf Coast with wind and drenching rains that have caused flooding. At a Wednesday afternoon news conference, Escambia County authorities announced a dusk-to-dawn curfew for the next 3 days. They also said there have been 377 rescues so far from water-stricken areas. Doyle Rice, USA Today. 3:50 p.m. CT. Heartbreak and devastation. Pensacola residents begin to venture out. There was little standing water along 9 Mile Road, but debris littered the area and surrounding residential roads. Signs above businesses were twisted and shredded like sheets of paper. And along thoroughfares like Kemstrand and Roberts Roads, lines of cars took turns navigating around downed trees and dangling power lines. In Cantonment, residents of the Bristol Park area saw a heartbreaking repeat of flooding that devastated the area in 2014. The Escambia County Sheriff's Office, National Guard, and Escambia County Fire Rescue spent much of the morning using high-water vehicles to rescue people in homes in the area. Nearby, emergency responders blocked off access to Highway 297A near Corral Drive and Ashbury Lane. A small lake had formed just outside at the nearby Ashbury Hills neighborhood, forcing commuters hoping to check on their loved ones and properties to find another way home.
I might be about 2 feet above water right now.
You got an angler too with
There's a ball. Yep. Yep.
Have you seen it yet?
I'm filming. I'll get it out.
Yeah, please do, because nobody has been over there yet.
Okay.
Okay.